how's everybody doing today? Just starting out my morning here. I took suggestions from you guys saying that the BigFoot tires are going to balloon on me really bad, and I think you're right, because you can see this one here. I mean, it just ripped open. I didn't even notice that until later. And I did have an extra set of rears, but why destroy those? I'm just going to do one more speed run with this thing, and the only reason I'm doing it is because nobody else is really doing it, so I figured I'll do it. I'll just go ahead and put the Banditos on there, and they're about the same height, so I should get about the same ride with them. I don't know. Why tear up those good tires, you know? What the heck? Let's get it out there and see what kind of speed we can get out of it. You like the wheelie bar? Kind of cool. I don't know. Okay, I've got my 12 satellites. Track. Start. The wheelie bar's just, actually the wheels are actually even turning, man. It's just dragging on that wheelie bar. Check it out. Oh, all right, let's give it a speed run, see what we can get out of this baby with the Banditos. Okay, here we go. Kind of goofy. And here she comes. Not wheeling in now, is she? Ooh. She's doing a lot better. Front end didn't even come up. Let's give it one more run. I'm not going to run this too much because what's the purpose? If I can't get my speed on this, then I ain't going to get any speed. Wow, that was a good run. Let's check our speed. Let's see what kind of speed I got. Stop. Read. 46 miles an hour. I really think this thing could easily hit 50. Even just on that short run, it did real well. I don't think I'm going to sacrifice the truck anymore. I think 46 will be my top speed for now. Things needs to get back out in the dirt. All right, let's give it another try. Okay, this is it, man. This is it. Well, back on his feet again. We're going to do it one more time. Oh! That's just too hard on my little truck, man. Last run. Make it a good one. That's about it, I think. Well, I think I'm going to stop the video here. I did get a pretty good run. 46 miles an hour is not too bad. I just kind of stuck a little engine on top of there just for looks, just to see what it looked like. Thanks, guys, for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked the video.